Hey there, this is Ever Wealthy, where we break down money stuff without the boring jargon. Today, let's settle a question a lot of us quietly ask. Should I put my money in a fixed deposit or is a mutual fund actually better? You know what I personally think? We've all grown up hearing about fixed deposits. Safe, simple, and always there when you need peace of mind. But are they really helping your money grow? Let's look at what a regular FD gives you. Fixed interest, usually somewhere between 5 to 6% per year. It's predictable, yes, but your money is locked in for years, and if you take it out early, you get penalized. Also, the interest you earn, it's fully taxable. So what you see isn't always what you get. FDs are great when your goal is to protect your money, not grow it. Now let's talk mutual funds. You can start with just 1000 rupees. Super beginner friendly, isn't it? They are flexible. You can increase, pause, or stop whenever you want. And they offer returns linked to the market, usually averaging 10 to 12% annually over the long term. Plus, you only pay tax when you withdraw. And even then, long-term capital gains tax is often more favorable. But yes, mutual funds do carry more risk than FDs. The market moves, and so does your money. That said, history shows over 5 years or more, mutual funds usually outperform FDs. So let's compare the two with the same amount. Imagine you invest 1000 rupees in a fixed deposit at 5% annual interest. In 5 years, that becomes around 1276 rupees. Now put that same 1000 rupees into a mutual fund, averaging 10% annually. In 5 years, it could grow to about 1645 rupees. That's a difference of 369 rupees. Just because you chose to let your money work a little harder. But you know what? If you continue with this, let's say for over 10 or even 15 years, the gap grows a lot. That's the power of compounding. What I honestly feel is go for a fixed deposit if you want total safety and no surprises. You might need the money soon. Or you just sleep better knowing your returns are fixed. Go for mutual funds if you're investing for the long term, like buying a house or planning retirement. You can stay invested for at least 5 to 7 years, and you're okay with some short-term ups and downs for better long-term growth. Here's the bottom line. FDs give you peace of mind. Mutual funds give you growth potential. And honestly, the smartest investors, they use both. FD for stability, mutual funds for wealth creation. So, which one will you choose? FD or mutual funds or both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, take a second to like this video and of course, subscribe to Ever Wealthy. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy investing.